So here are 3 essential 3D printed mods that make FlySky FS-GT3B even better. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Song Hobbies. Today we're going to look into 3 items that significantly improve the usability of FlySky FS-GT3B. The 3D print files are hosted in Thingiverse and are free for download. I'll put the links in the description below and let's get started. The first essential 3D print mod is camera mount by Alive at Home. I use GoPro to film the RC action sometimes. Initially, I mounted the GoPro on the base of the radio, but I had a hard time seeing what was being filmed. The camera mount by Alive at Home solved that issue by mounting the GoPro on top of the radio. For the install, you will need 2 16mm M25 screws and 1 M5 nut. So let's get started. The next essential 3D print mod is a remote transmitter neck strap ring holder by Neurotic. When I'm in the field, I sometimes find myself having to place the transmitter down on the rocks in the dirt, but with the neck strap holder, I don't have that issue anymore. For the install, you will need 2 10mm M25 screws. The third essential 3D print mod is RC car truck thumb steering for 50mm steering wheels by Peter Provost. Here I have it painted in black to match the body of the FlySky GT3B. For install, there's no hardware required. It simply goes over the wheel. Here's my FlySky GT3B with all the modifications installed. Hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe so you can be notified of future videos.